Okay, so my name's Carie. Now we're going to go through my evening face care skincare regime. So we're going to start with the Obagi Cleanser Foaming Gel. Probably how I get myself dry. I don't like dragging my face around. So we've done a cleanse. Now we're going to do a tone. The Obagi toner. Okay. Now again, normally now I would put the clear on, but because I only do this twice a year, I'm not going to put it on. So now I would normally put the clear on. Then I use the Obagi blend. And I put about a pea-size amount on the palm of my hand. And then I go in with a Retinoid, a vitamin A, and I use about the same. It's about the same. Mix it all together. And I don't care if it sits like white on my face, you know, like sometimes I just give my skin the opportunity to absorb it, you know, like I don't sit there and feel like I've got to really rub it in straight away. But you can see, I mean, I'm covering my whole chest, I'm covering my hands. Now, before you start using a vitamin A, you need to do your research because it is not an easy product to use on the face. So, in my mind, if you do your research, all the leading skin specialists, skin doctors, facelift doctors, whomever you're following, will tell you that vitamin A is the #1 skincare product. If you want beautiful skin and you're not using a vitamin A, then you're not doing the best you can for your skin, in my opinion. So it took me about a year, maybe a bit longer. I started on a 0.25 strength of vitamin A. Then I moved up to 0.50 and then I moved up to 1. So I might have started maybe just a couple of days a week, then built it up to 3 days a week, and I'd stay like that, building out 1 day at a time until my skin became accustomed to, could handle the product every day. And then once I did that, I might leave it like that for a couple of months, and then I'd start introducing a 0.50, so we've stepped up. And I might only add that in 1 day a week, and then 2 days a week. So I'm doing the 0.25, and then a couple of times a week I'll slot in a 0.50. And then I keep doing that until I've rotated all the 0.25s out and I'm using the 0.50 all the time. I leave my skin alone. I let it get used to it for another couple of months. Then I start introducing 1%. So again, I'd only start once a week, then twice a week, and then I'd slowly. And the reason you have to do that is most people give up on vitamin A. And the reason they give up is because your skin feels angry. It gets red, it flakes, it's itchy, it doesn't look pretty. So it takes time for your skin to adjust to a vitamin A product. But once you do, and you have, the results speak for themselves. I think there is no better skincare. Do your research. People will say, oh, but we've got retinoids, we've got vitamin A in our products and our moisturizers. It's not enough. It's not enough. If you're wanting beautiful, vibrant, fresh skin, certainly in your 60s and 50s, and if you check out Melissa 55 in her 70s, then you need to be thinking about the products that you're using. So again, the Obagi Nu-Derm system that I use is a medical grade skincare. Dr. Obagi created that. He's a skin doctor. So I just believe in it. I believe in the products. I believe in the results that I'm getting. I look at the skin on my neck, on my chest, on my face, on my hands, and I'm really pleased. And I'm so delighted that I can put some lipstick on and walk out the door and I feel fabulous. So if you want to look fabulous, darling, in your 60s, then I recommend you have a look at the Obagi products and you do your research about vitamin A and start using it. Anyway, gotta fly, sweetie pie.